Hello everybody, friends and fans, welcome to my channel Hot Wheels Showcase AA Shadows. Dear friends, I am back with my Hero Car Showcase, and today we have a bike, not a Hero Car friends, this is a Hero bike from HW Daredevils 3F5, and this baby is HW450F friends, the Ghost series of 2018. Here is the back side of the car friends. You can check HW450F 3 of 5 from HW Daredevils. Dear friends, our cool bike is ready for the unboxing and a cool review on the showtime. Our lovely bike 450F is here friends, with some cool and great colors. The front side is black and the mudguard, the black base and the blue job on the rims is looking nice. The body top is looking cool friends, with a great combination of the blue and pink. Some cool logos are also there, Hot Wheels and HW Daredevils. This is pretty cool friends, a lovely bike with some great finishings. Here is the topper view friends, and the below side. Dear friends, thank you for watching. Please comment below your finding, your feedback. Have a great day friends. Love you all. Bye.